1000 BC, the first caveman in Brookhaven. 1095 BC, the caveman built a village. 1069 BC, a man got fired in Brookhaven. 2001 BC, a man called Mr. Brasonio made t-shirt and the shirt in Brookhaven. 200 BC, a girl destroyed the village in Brookhaven. The First World War of Brookhaven. Brookhaven defeated all of the troops. 3046 BC, the first farm in Brookhaven. The first glasses in Brookhaven. In 4056 BC, the first bike in Brookhaven. The Second World War is started. All the bad soldiers attacked the village again. So many people dead in the World War.